If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Minecraft, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Restart Minecraft. Close the game completely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart could resolve temporary glitches that cause matchmaking errors. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are running the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates to ensure compatibility with the matchmaking server. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache of your device. This can often resolve issues related to stored data that may be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Matchmaking Error 2025 and get back to enjoying your game. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.